to use separate formulas in separate cells, I can just do this with one single formula. So I come here, I put X lookup. The lookup value would be cell here in F2, the name here in F2. The lookup array would be these names, and the return array would be this entire range of cells from where I want to fetch the entire record. Now see what happens when I hit enter. It is going to automatically populate all these three cells. So I've just put the formula here, but it is going to populate these cells. These cells need to be empty. If these are not, then the formula is not going to work. But when you do that with one single formula, it gives me the entire record. Now, you cannot change these cells. You cannot change the formula here. So if you go to the formula bar, you can see this is grayed out. You cannot edit the formula. If you try and delete these cells, you will not be able to. See what happens when I hit the delete key? It just doesn't work. And I can delete this cell here, but if I do that, it is going to delete the entire record. I can edit the formula here, but not in these two cells.